Come in, welcome. Come into my studio. I'm really glad you're here. One of the most important things about my studio to me is that it is a place that inspires me. I feel really blessed just to have a space that I can fill with things that make me want to create. When I started in art, I was very corporate. I had a whole different life, but there was a part of me that has always wanted to pick up something that someone else did not feel had value or threw out. What's interesting is the pieces that are left behind, and in that way, because I'm always trying to rescue them, and I've kind of made a career out of that, for me, the whole world is like an art store. I love thread so much. It's crazy how much I love thread. I believe that it is the tangles that keep us all completely close to each other. That if everything was perfect and it wasn't tangled, like how threads get tangled, everything would be superficial. So threads are in every single piece of my work. I would not have anything I have in my business, from my card line to original art to salvage words to teaching altered books, if I was aiming at perfection. I have many, many altered books. Some of them have really helped me through some really, really difficult times in my life. Like, I just needed a place to process what was going on. Someone came up to me at a show and they looked at my card line, which many of them come from my altered books, and they go, "You must have the most beautiful life." And I looked at her and I smiled and I just said to her, "Well, I love what is." I'm not really sure if other people would call it a beautiful life. Like, there's been a lot of hard things in there too. And I've just learned that it's really in all those hard moments that there's just so much majesty and so much beauty. I think we all have things that are hard, and there's all different things we have to carry, and it's just about how we carry them. I just would really hope that when I look back, or people really close to me look back, that they would say that I carried it with a lot of grace.